At Parker Clay, we're making you a promise, and that promise is made in a place that has stood the test of time, Ethiopia. Our artisans have been refining the leather craft for generations, dating back to literally the beginning of time. This is why we're confident in our promise of a lifetime guarantee. We work to develop the highest quality premium full-grain leather. Our team hand selects each piece of leather before cutting, assembling, and stitching the product, providing you the highest quality leather goods in the world. With each Parker Clay, we hope to encompass the heritage of Ethiopian craftsmanship and timeless style. You'll notice that our products grow softer and settle into their unique shape the more you use and wear them. Leather develops a distinct patina as it ages, making leather products look better over time and use. Because each of our leather pieces are chosen with attention and care, we know that you'll love both the look and the feel of each item the longer you wear it. We hope to see Parker Clay leather products passed down through generations.